Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the chip precisely. Note if metal is exposed, primer shows, or paint only. Clean the area with soap and water, then wipe with 70% isopropyl so solvent and oils are gone. This ensures adhesion. Once dry, mask around the chip to protect existing paint. Now lightly sand the edges with 400-600 grit to feather the paint into the chip. This creates a smooth transition, so touch up paint bonds without leaving a ridge. You need to prime any bare metal first. Use an automotive primer and apply thin coats, allowing about 10-15 minutes to tack between layers so it won't run. Once primer cures, confirm your OEM paint code and use a fine applicator or brush to apply touch-up paint in thin layers. Building color gradually prevents globs. If the surface gets slightly uneven, wet sand very gently with 1,000-1,500 grit between coats to flatten. Then clean and repeat until the paint sits flush with the surrounding finish. You finish by applying clear coat in 1 or 2 light passes, keeping a consistent distance so the film is even. This preserves gloss and protects the repair. Allow proper flash and cure time, then wet sand carefully with 2,000-3,000 grit to blend edges. Use a polishing compound afterward to restore shine. If you see a run or orange peel, remove it with 1,000 grit, refinish from the high point with thin layers, and repolish. This troubleshooting step corrects texture and prevents a visible repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.